Meet HarmonyOS 6.0, Huawei's smartest, fastest, and most connected operating system ever. It's here, and it's turning heads. So what's new in 6.0? First, performance. Apps open lightning fast. Huawei trains a 20% boost in speed and smoother animations across the board. Second, HyperOS style Super Device 2.0 is back and better. Control your phone, tablet, smartwatch, smart home, all in one tap. Drag and drop files across devices like magic. Third, the new Zhao Yi AI assistant is smarter than ever. It now suggests tasks, schedules your meetings, and learns your habits on-device AI, keeping your data private. Customization? It's beautiful. HarmonyOS 6 brings fluid widgets, animated wallpapers, and deep theme controls. It finally feels like your phone, your style. And yes, battery life is improved too. Huawei's new eTurbo engine optimizes power in real time. Expect longer screen time even on older devices. HarmonyOS 6.0 isn't just an update, it's Huawei's big leap into the future. Are you ready to switch?